Brad, you may want to jump in on this. We got them coming home. My God, they come in. They just do a number on our homes. They're crawling. They're creepy. Ugh.
No.
So how do we prevent insect infestation? I'll give you the topic heading, and Brad, you follow up on it.
Okay.
Let's start with eliminate standing water.
Love it. Get rid of it. That's going to help with mosquitoes primarily, but are we going to talk about moisture
Yeah, we are.
damage to property too
Yeah,
later?
coming
Okay.
up.
Okay.
Okay, next, seal entry points.
Yes. So pest control is really pest management, and it's all starting with physical barriers. Seal up those cracks, get those weather stripping replaced, door seals, screens if you've got holes in them. Everywhere that you've got a hole on the outside of your house is an entry point for insects. That's where pest control begins.
Maintain landscaping.
Yep. Don't get a lot of leaf debris. That's a place where insects will breed. The other thing is make sure you don't have plants touching your house. So no vines on the house, no trees touching the house. Keep a gap between your house and anything that is green and growing.
Use pest repelling solutions.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not a fan of pest repellents.
Yeah.
But yes, I mean, there's a place for repellents, but it's something you're going to have to replace a lot in order to give any effectiveness from them.
Monitor and remove pests early, so keep an eye out for them.
Yeah, you want to hit them early. When you start seeing one or two ants in your house, those are scouts that are trying to find different food sources, different water sources. So you want to make sure that when you do start seeing them, you don't wait until the full trail of thousands of ants has moved into your kitchen.
Yeah, so sign of one means you got problems
Yeah,
coming.
they're coming. Yeah.
And then the moisture issue that you were talking about, remove moisture presence in the home.
Yeah. Right, because anything that's got water in it, that's what an insect needs. So when you think about, when we're doing like wood destroying insect inspections, we're looking for what are called conducive conditions. And so if you've got a leaky water pipe, that's going to be a great place for all sorts of insects to find. So wet wood, damaged sill plates, your basement, you might see those, sitting up on top of the concrete. If you've got water in any of those areas, make sure it gets dried out, because otherwise those are places that insects will get set up and start doing a lot of damage.
All right. Those are some of the things to help prevent those insects from coming into your home.